In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable sharing on Google Keep Notes so you can easily collaborate with other people in real time. We'll go from opening your note to adding collaborators to confirming that sharing is set up correctly. I'll explain each step clearly so you feel confident doing it on your own by the end. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account in a web browser. Then, go to the Google Keep website by typing keep.google.com into the address bar. Press enter and you should see your Google Keep dashboard with all your notes laid out as cards on the screen. If you don't see any notes yet, that just means you haven't created any, so you can quickly create a new one by clicking in the Take a Note area at the top and typing something in. Next, select the note you want to share. You can do this by clicking directly on the note card itself. That will open the note in an expanded view, making it easier to see all the options available at the bottom. Take a second to make sure you've opened the right note, especially if you have several that look similar. You'll be sharing everything in this note with the person you choose, so double check the content before moving on. Now, look toward the bottom of the note for the sharing or collaboration controls. You're looking for the collaborator icon, which looks like a little person with a plus sign next to it. This icon is what you'll use to share the note with someone else. Go ahead and click that collaborator icon. A small window will pop up, usually titled something like Collaborators, showing who currently has access to the note. At this point, if you've never shared the note before, you'll typically only see yourself listed. In the box that appears, you'll see a field where you can enter the email address of the person you want to share the note with. Click into that field and carefully type the email address of your collaborator. It's important to make sure the email address is correct because Google Keep will use this to send access and, if applicable, a notification. If you're sharing with someone who's already in your contacts, Keep may suggest their email as you type, and you can simply click the suggestion instead of typing the whole address. Once the email address is entered and looks correct, you're ready to finalize the sharing. Look for the Save button in that same window. Click Save to enable sharing for that note. When you do this, Google Keep will add that person as a collaborator. They'll be able to view and edit the note, and any changes either of you make will appear for everyone almost instantly. After saving, you should now see the collaborator's email or name listed in the collaborators area. This is a quick way to confirm that sharing is active. If you ever need to stop sharing later, you can come back to this same collaborator icon and remove their access from the list. That's all there is to it. You've opened Google Keep, selected a note, used the collaborator icon, entered an email address, and saved your changes to turn on sharing. Now you can work together on ideas, lists, or reminders without having to send separate messages back and forth.